Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can download a high quality photo or video in Canva. Now first go into your Canva account and then on your left panel, click on Templates. Now Canva offers thousands of templates you can choose from and some of them are free. It could be a document, a postcard, even a presentation, and so on. Here's a sample postcard that I made in Canva. Now let's say I want to download this at its highest possible quality. So first click on the share button on your top right corner and then scroll down a little bit and click on download. From here, it shows you what is the best quality you can get. Mine's just a photo, so it would tell me the best quality that I could get is if I save it as a PNG file. Now, if this had animations or if this was a video, definitely it would recommend me to save it as an MP4 file. Now, keep in mind having a high quality video or image would also mean its file size will be big too. Now, just to add, if you only have a free trial plan in Canva, some options might not be available for you, just like this option where you can resize the photo before downloading or have it with a transparent background. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to download a high quality photo or video in Canva. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.